today we're going to be baking loaded tater tots on a stick. So what you're going to need is you're going to need tater tots, bacon bits, mild cheddar, and green onion. Alright, so the first step you're going to need to do is you're going to need to get out a pan and a piece of parchment and your tater tots. And you're going to want to preheat your oven to what the back of the tater tots says. Pour them out. Spread them so they're like not on top of each other like they were before. And then throw them in the oven for the assigned amount of time. My bag says to shake them a little bit once it reaches 8 minutes. So I will do that. Put those in there. Alright, so now we're going to start on our green onion. So you want to cut this little part off right here, because we don't use those. And then since we're making like smaller pieces and we want most of the green part, we're going to cut about right here off too. And then you just want to Alright, so I'm just about done cutting these onions. So after that, I'm going to put them in the bowl and we'll start on the dip. Alright, so now we're going to make a sour cream and chives dip because I think you'll go really good with the tater tots. So what you're going to need is a tablespoon of dried chives or normal chives, but using dried. You would need a cup of sour cream. You would need a 1/4 cup of mayo, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of lemon juice. So let's crack open the sour cream. And get out a cup. That's almost a cup. Probably one more scoop. Yep, and put it in the dish. Put it over there. Cut that off to the side. Next we want to do the mayo. A little bit more. This is also going to be a snack that you can make quick and easy for the big game that's coming on Sunday. Put this up. Next we're going to want to do the liquids. So let's get out the garlic. This is a 1/2 teaspoon. Put that in there. Let's do the lemon juice. You need a very little amount of this, so be careful. I missed it, but that looked like 1/8. And then chives. You'll need a tablespoon of chives. And there. Now get something to mix it with. I'm going to use this. Just mix it all together. I would mix it until the mayo and the sour cream is nice and mixed and all the colors are blended. Alright, so the dip is just about done. I can tell because all the thick substances in it have mixed together. So now we're going to want to put it in the fridge to chill. And then let's check on our tater tots. Alright, we're going to check on the tater tots, but before that, remember this, it's going to be really steamy and hot, so do this to let the steam come out so you don't burn your face off. Let's pull them out. down. Now we gotta let them cool because as you can hear, they're sizzling, so they're gonna be screaming hot. Alright, I took the tater tots out. I'll let them cool for a little bit because they were super duper hot. And now you want to get to your skewers. I recommend getting them that aren't too long, but you want them to be a little bit thicker so you can get them through. And then push through the soft side, and then just push it down to about right there will suit it. Push down. You want to do it on the soft side so you don't have to push through the hard part of it. They're still a little hot. Tater tots really hold their heat. And then we learned about 6 of them works, so set them off to the side. And then let's just go with all the tater tots. Alright, I'm just finishing up this last skewer. I have 4 extra tater tots, so I'm just gonna set those off to the side. Spend most of the plate, I think. Alright, now you want to straighten out your parchment paper if it got a little messed up during the cooking process. And then you want to start taking them and start putting them on here like this so we can put our toppings on it. Just looks like rows of tater tots. Alright, that's all I can fit. Let's put the toppings on now. Alright, so now we're going to top them with cheddar, shredded cheddar, bacon, and the onions we cut up. First, we're going to use the cheddar. And we want a lot of cheddar, because if you've ever had loaded baked potatoes or cheese fries, you want a lot of cheese on them. A little bit more cheese. A little more over here. That's probably enough cheese. Now we take our bacon. A little bit more bacon. Just a tiny bit more. And then we want to take our onions, sprinkle them around. It's probably too big of a group. You want that piece a little too big. Alright, I think they're ready to be cooked for a little bit more. Alright, let's check if these are done. Alright, they look done. You can tell when they're done when the cheese is melty. So, pull them out. Well, those look so good. So that's the final product. Let's come and taste test it now. Alright, let's try it now. That's so good. It tastes like a loaded baked potato, but it's so much simpler to make so you don't have to bake up all the potatoes. And it's also a bit easier than cheese fries. And it both taste like those. I hope you really like this. I hope this is a nice and simple recipe for you to make. I hope this is also a good snack if you make it for the big game on Sunday. So I hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! So that's another video. I really hope you like this one. I was doing it for the big game, and this really is just a very quick and simple recipe. I think I did this in under a little more than a half hour. So if you're having a big game party or just want to have it, I mean, it's a very quick and easy snack for all ages, kids to adults or to elders. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!